Malayam the lady Bamiamda, Midnakong by E-Pao, Pibada in a Torum Kia, Sandokuna Meeyam Giseba Mapung Fana Torokpa, Agasvani Imphal Nasahi, Humpumapung Parpi Palan Torum Pang Tokray, Democracy Marisuba Pillarni Hainariba, Media Gay Wahan Tok Lehensi, Meeyam the E-Pao Kanganbada, Apunba Saktam Sagatnaba Honagadavane, Sensitive Oiba Isukudimakta, Nintina Kalaga, Meeyam the Kangan Shihaina, Manipuri Governor Bhalla High Cray. Palace Compound the City Convention Center the Pangtokiba, Agasvani Imphal gi Diamond Jubilee gi Thorum Aduda, Agasvani gi Director General Rajiv Kumar Jain, Additional Chief Secretary Anurag Vaswai, Agasvani NEZ Additional Director General Satyajit Das, Nomaitem Nandakumar Director Engineering Head of Office Agasvani Imphal na Marui Bamtungnan Choina Saruyaki. Tharomgi Manungsana Agasvani Imphal na Sahi Humpumapung Farapi Diamond Jubilee gi Souvenir Amasu Fonki. Manipuri Governor Bhalla na mahaki warol dahai matamgi matungina ahong kya laklabasu internet ki lamda khongjel yang na satlabasu Agasvani Imphal na Meeyam gi seva tawbudi hanba leitana ngasi fawu honari amadi Meeyam na sudumak ahong baleitana pamnari matamgi matungina radio da E-Pao sandokpa cover fonglakpa mathang laktuna digital media social media thorokpa internet na singba laklabasu Agasvani na thorom kya sandoktuna ahloirba singbu pothahalle Matamgi ahong bada yauduna ngasidi Agasvani Imphal na masamaring panduroktuna YouTube channel fawba hangdoktuna Meeyam na pamnaba hengalakli amadi entertainment program kya sandoktuna haujikti 3 lakh subscriber yaukrai masimak sauna mai pakpa mani ngasigi numit asi fawba yaunaba honabada asoba thaudang lawkiba Agasvani gi thomi khudimangna thauna hanba leitana Meeyam gi seba tawbiyo haina yaipho pawjel su piki
struggle and the early years of nation building, radio became a powerful symbol of unity and hope. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore's poetic renaming of All India Radio as Akashvani, the voice from the skies, beautifully captured its spirit. And who among us does not recognize the signature tune of Akashvani, which continues to resonate in our hearts every morning. Over 6 decades, it has played a key role in promoting national unity, preserving cultural heritage, and strengthening social harmony. Its programs in multiple local dialects have brought voices from remote regions to the mainstream, fostering understanding among diverse communities. The station is known for its accuracy, integrity, and ethical journalism,